the B-Roll Smackdown July edition. Oh, I'm so excited, and boy are we gonna see fireworks on this one. Piney, roll them bumps. This month we're going to add a wrinkle to the B-Roll Smackdown. For July, you will be limited to household items only and or chores you do around the house. So items like this, or this. This way, everyone has access to the same stuff. So the only limit is your creativity. Entries must be 30 seconds or less. They can include voiceover or music. As long as it's free or in the public domain, please include any attribution that needs to be included with your music so it can go in the description, and you want to leave that in your email when you send in your submission. Submissions should be sent to brollsmackdown@gmail.com. I will be accepting entries into July's B-Roll Smackdown until July 6th. So get those entries in, guys, and good luck to everyone. Have a great day. Find your adventure, and I will see you not too long from now.